Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making strudels with berries. Simple and delicious, of course. We start with the filling, so I'm gonna need 750 grams of frozen berries, 100 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 30 grams of cornstarch. In a pot, I'm gonna mix sugar and cornstarch. I'm gonna add as well fruits, frozen fruits, and I have berries. I put them over that sugar and cornstarch, and I'm gonna mix all of them. We have raspberries. Ooh. I'm mixing fruits with dry ingredients to coat them in that cornstarch. Add vanilla extract for more flavor, of course. About 1 tablespoon. And put them on the stove on low fire and cook them until sugar is melting and fruits are defrosted. I don't like to cook them too much because I don't want to smash the fruits completely. I like to have them like this to keep the shape. Let them cool down. I didn't do this step, to be honest, but yes, we should let them cool down completely. Besides the fruits and sugar and cornstarch, we need phyllo pastry, and I have a pack here of 400 grams and 180 grams of melted butter. I'm gonna work with each phyllo pastry at a time. I'm gonna brush it with that butter. Don't add too much butter, don't soak it wet. Work fast with it, and the phyllo pastry that are side, just keep them covered because otherwise they will dry out fast, and they broke super fast as well. Fold the phyllo pastry in half, put filling at one end and wrap them. Work fast with these. You don't want the juices from the fruits to go through the phyllo pastry, so work fast with confidence and you'll be fine. So I take another phyllo pastry, brush it with butter, fold it in half, put filling at one end and fold it. Place them on your oven tray on baking paper, and after you fill all those phyllo pastry, brush them with leftover butter and bake them in preheated oven at 180 Celsius for about 25 minutes, and they will look like this. After you took them off the oven, you can powder them right away with powdered sugar, and all that juice will start to be super gooey when they will cool down, and they will look amazing powdered with sugar. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're gonna make this and you're gonna let me know if they come out good down below in the comment section. Have an awesome day, find reasons to smile. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions, any recipes that you like to see up here, just let me know. Have an awesome day, find reasons to smile. Bye.